Hi kids! So today we are going to learn about pronoun. Before pronoun, we should know what is noun. We have already learned about noun. You can see the link in the description box. Let's see a brief introduction about noun. A noun is a naming word that refers to a person, place, animal, things, or idea. It helps us identify, describe, and talk about everything about us. Now start pronoun. In this video, we will learn about what is pronoun and how do we use it. Pronoun. A pronoun is a word that we use in place of a noun. Here are some examples of pronoun. He, she, I, me, you, his, yours, her, my, they, them, their. So kids, let's learn how do we use it. Ria is my friend. Ria is nice. Here is Ria is noun. But we can use she instead of second number of Ria. Like she is nice. This is Rahul. Rahul is playing. Here Rahul is noun and the second word is Rahul is playing. Here we can use he is playing instead of Rahul is playing. Look at the ball. The ball is red. Ball. Ball is a noun and we can use it is red instead of the ball is red. This is an apple. The apple is sweet. Here is apple is noun but we can use it is sweet instead of the second sentence the apple is sweet. So see children, we use pronoun instead of noun. Great job kids. Now you know what pronouns are. Remember, pronouns replace names and make sentences simple and fun. So kids, we will meet again in the next upcoming video. Till then, bye bye and do subscribe my channel. Bye.